Uba Gabriel Iangrai IPS ubalong he Pulit balasha kem nakajisi thiet kali hakatanat Pulit Ialait Jamin no hakakat sauteri urumpang ahaja arpulai Uba Iangrai ulami Shillong District Jail hakapor ashitengi emitsingi ringkat kinong side an jong u Hadian kanepat nakaliang kiprit CID kajela kila Kem u halor kibai pat ki case Barhashwa ki Pulit kinra no yu Uba Gabriel ulayo apani kran klap thai khobor.
Yes, I'll get it out. Okay.
Sure.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. See, first and foremost, I thank God, even though my body is caged, but my spirit is free. Whatever accusation against me are tried by especially politically sponsored media court. And whatever litany of cases registered against me are but efforts to put me under constant duress, so stop me from exposing skeletons that are in the various cupboard. I am a victim of a high-level khaki vendetta politics funded by many businessmen, etc. of Camel region origination who have failed to control in many trade, especially through Benami trade in Ialait Police Department. The moment I started my RTI campaign to some department of the government to seek important information on various issues, and after filing an FIR with the crime branch police station against a breach of my rights as an accused against a person officials involved, my family members has been made a scapegoat and unduly fabricated in a case by the police. Further, all the IOs of the cases registered against me are mostly non-indigenous. Further, prior to my joining as Commandant SF-10 on being transferred from the post of AIGA, a substitute commandant has already been placed in my very same chamber in a very schematic way. My appeal to the high-level khaki men to please stop harassing my family members. I am willing to sacrifice my life for my family and not scared of any attempt of anyone to plot similar modules operandi of late Full Moon Ther, late Chesterfield Thankeu, late PG Marbanyang, and a host of other gory stories which the police department are hiding, which are still mystery, for which true answer are yet to be revealed. I am innocent in whatever cases registered against me until proven guilty by a competent court of law. My hand is clean and I have no stain of blood, and I'm of any innocent in my hands. I have full faith in the judicial system of the land and shall continue to fight for justice for my rights till the last breath of my life. Further, during my police custody, my human right has been violated, for which appropriate complaint has been made by me to the appropriate forum. My fundamental rights during police custody with police has been violated, and the formal complaint has been already lodged to the honorable court through proper channel. And further, now you'll just see the police are already ready here to arrest me, and so that I won't speak anything. Now I'm just giving my statement. I have so many things and so many RTIs I have filed from here which are yet to be revealed, and these will expose, and there is an imminent threat to my life and to my family. And this is highly political, all the highly political khaki vendetta, coupled with there's some media house which have been sponsored by some political parties which are doing. And then first and foremost, let me tell you how it started. It started with inquiry. You all know it came out in the newspaper. It started with inquiry, and during the inquiry, what happened? Even prior to the inquiry being completed, because law has to take its own course, they're scared that I might tamper with evidence. Who am I to tamper with all the high-level political people? I cannot tamper anything. They fail because you see the government official have to go through certain procedures, rules. They go slowly, step by step. But what happened? They expose it, leak it out. Because why? They're afraid that I might be free. No one will be able to. So that they put me on constant duress. How many months? It started from August last year. My rights are, my SC/ST right also has been violated. I've been treated like, by the present incumbent DGP. I've been treated like a Harijan, That I will reveal later how. I have so many things to tell, but now this much I want to tell. But I appeal to you all that this is a highly political, high-level, political vendetta against me. I see, as my tenure as AIGA for 3.5 years, not even one secret information is got leaked out of the press to the press. Have you ever been privy? Tell me, press people, you are the press, you know, have you got any information? Any information, anything I give is to press release. There are many people who are wearing their chest very high, but with stain of blood, innocent blood in them, and rewarded. And so many inquiries happen. What happened late Chesterfield till now? Have you got the answer? You got who's the mastermind? Who got? You got everything. PJ Marbanyang, you got, and many others, and many innocent people who've been caught, shot and shown, got medals. You put medals here. That is what justice. And now what they'll do? They'll torture me. What they did? They mentally tortured me. And and even when they did the inquiry, I was never informed that there's an inquiry against you, against me. For the Ialait, so, whatever. They must have made charges, thousands of charges. This is my first briefing. I have got sufficient amount of evidence with me, which I will use. Now it is only them, because they have the laws with them. All the high level are with them. I am nothing. I'll tell you, even the people who used to work. Suppose now you are my staff, you are my junior, you work with me. Even they have been put on duress, make statements after statements against me, alleging this, alleging that. As if all the police, see, I'm not saying the whole system is, we have lot of good policemen who are still very good, but always under duress, because they cannot butter, they don't belong to this, they belong to that. And especially the highway, which is a source of lifeline. This is where I am a victim of. Why? Because under my signature, many things have happened. Many people have got letters which they don't want. And now because in a jail we have access to newspaper, which you all write. There is a question about some high-level people who even the Honorable High Court has asked credibility. And now, me, what did I do? It's all material. They want to torture me, put me inside. What else you want from me? What will I do? I cannot tamper any evidence now. I am just an ordinary man. I don't even know how to drive. I don't know how to do anything. I have to go by taxi now. Everything, my livelihood has been affected. They've seized my account. They freeze my account. Whatever property I have, because it's in my name. I didn't hide. I never hide it like anyone else. They hide that they don't have property to declare. It's in my name. Why? Because I bought it. I have been a hardworking person right from the day I have not joined service.
Just bomber force
Okay,
vehicle.
fine. Yes. Fine. Yeah.
Regarding the purchase of
The bomber force
Okay.
from this.
Then how many cases now?
All to
No, now how many? which
only
is
one
it?
case, only one
You are
case.
arresting me one now?
Only one.
Okay. Okay. What do you want to do? Tell me.
So you have to come with us, sir.
I'm cooperating.
Okay, thank you.
I'm
Sir. Only
cooperating.
with
They are there to witness. I am not running anywhere. Nor I have even whatever. See, I have 120 days, 102 days. I'm here.
Sir, we are
I am
under
here.
you also, sir. With you.
I am here. I have cooperated everything, and I will always do law. Whatever is legal, I am there.
Right.
But nothing illegal should be done. If my rights violated, that's the only thing. What do you want to do now?
With us, sir.
Where? Where are you going now?
Thana.
Hmm?
NPS. This is ADs and anti-corruption cases.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, let's go. They have been hiding. Only through the medium of RTI, I came to know that what are the cases registered against me. Even when we seek information, because as a citizen of India, you deserve to know. But there are certain provisions which you need to know. I was kept in the dark. Some cases registered already from the way of August, when we get asked nothing information. But it's only they're using it as a tool. And when I get bail, please stop. No, please. I'm not running away. As and when I get bail, so that so today is the example, a perfect example of vendetta. Thank you very much.